Hello and welcome back to our next lecture and video from this course on how to create graphic designs using Crello, a free cloud-based app. Now in this lecture I want to show you and we want to share with you a very cool small tactic or method of, let's say, giving different purposes to your design or using your design for different marketing activities like posting the same design or a linear design on Facebook, using it in your banners on your website, okay, using them in your flyers that you use offline and other things like that, okay. And Crello has a very nice and neat function for that, and I will show you an example. We will use also a Facebook post for this example. Let me choose a category. Let's say that this is the final version of our graphic design. Now something which can be very useful for you, the Facebook post is 940 pixels with 788 pixels, is the Resize function. If we click on the Resize function, you will see that we have some options here to automatically resize our graphic designs for different purposes. Now this is very useful because we don't have to go again and again every time we want to resize a design to adapt all the elements, okay, to put in a different resolution or other things like that. It will work automatically from the Resize design function. And for example, let's say that we want to use our design for marketing materials. We select the marketing materials category. We select the flyer. Once size selected, we can also select, let's say, event for postcards. We have two size selected. And then we just press the button resize and it will automatically resize our design for the both options, okay, for the flyer and for the postcard. And we just have to click on the resize button here. Okay, let's allow it. So we just click on the resize button and you will automatically see that it will open new canvases for us and resize them for us, okay. Obviously we will have to edit them and customize them a little bit, but it will automatically transfer them in that type of editor, okay. The resolution will be changed automatically. That's the whole point. So this can be a very useful functions for many of you who work in marketing. Definitely take a look at this, use this in your advantage to make your work much more easier. Thank you very much for watching and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.